Windows are essential for maintaining comfort, energy efficiency, and aesthetics in your home. In Dallas, where the climate can swing from scorching summers to chilly winters, high-quality windows are particularly important. If you're considering a window replacement project, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process, ensuring a smooth and successful upgrade for your home. Step 1. Assess your needs before diving into a window replacement project. Evaluate your current windows. Ask yourself the following questions. Are there visible signs of damage, such as cracks or rot? Do your windows feel drafty or hard to open and close? Are your energy bills higher than expected? These issues often indicate it's time for new windows. Take note of the number of windows you need to replace and the type of windows that might suit your home's architectural style. Step 2. Research window options. Dallas homeowners have a wide variety of window types to choose from, including double-hung windows, popular for their versatility and ease of use. Casement windows, great for ventilation and energy efficiency. Picture windows, perfect for unobstructed views and natural light. Energy-efficient windows, designed to reduce energy consumption and maintain indoor comfort. Consider materials like vinyl, wood, aluminum, or fiberglass, and look for features like low-E coatings and gas-filled panes to enhance performance. Step 3. Set a budget. Window replacement is an investment, so it's important to determine your budget early on. Costs can vary based on the number of windows, materials, and customization options. In Dallas, the average cost per window ranges from $450 to $1,200, including installation. Be sure to factor in additional costs for labor and potential upgrades. Step 4. Find a reliable contractor. Choosing the right contractor is crucial for a successful window replacement project. Look for a company that specializes in windows and has a strong reputation in the Dallas area. Key factors to consider include licensing and insurance, positive customer reviews and testimonials, warranties on products, and workmanship. Experience with Dallas-specific climate considerations. Request multiple quotes and compare services to find the best fit for your needs. Step 5. Schedule an in-home consultation. Once you've selected a contractor, schedule an in-home consultation. During this visit, the contractor will measure your windows to ensure a precise fit, discuss your preferences and recommend suitable options, provide a detailed estimate of costs and timelines. This step is vital for avoiding misunderstandings and ensuring the project aligns with your expectations. Step 6. Order your windows. After finalizing your window selection, your contractor will place an order with the manufacturer. Custom windows may take several weeks to arrive, so plan accordingly. Your contractor should keep you informed about the delivery timeline. Step 7. Prepare for installation. Before the installation day, take steps to prepare your home. Clear the area around your windows of furniture and decor. Remove window treatments such as blinds or curtains. Ensure pets and children are kept away from the work area. Your contractor may also provide specific instructions to ensure a smooth installation process. Step 8. Installation day. On the day of installation, the contractor's team will remove the old windows carefully to minimize damage to surrounding areas. Inspect the window openings for any structural issues. Install the new windows, ensuring a tight and secure fit. Apply caulking and insulation to seal the windows effectively. Clean up the work area and dispose of old materials. A typical window replacement project can be completed in 1 to 2 days, depending on the number of windows. Step 9. Post-installation inspection. After installation, inspect the windows with your contractor to ensure everything meets your expectations. Check for proper operation of window mechanism, smooth finishes and accurate alignment, absence of drafts or leaks. Discuss any concerns immediately so they can be addressed promptly. Step 10. Enjoy your new windows. With your new windows installed, you'll notice improved comfort, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. Dallas homeowners often see significant savings on energy bills and enhanced home value after a window replacement project. Final thoughts. Replacing windows can seem like a daunting task, but with the right planning and professional help, it's a worthwhile investment. Follow this guide to navigate the process with confidence and enjoy the benefits of high-quality, energy-efficient windows tailored to your Dallas home. Whether you're upgrading for style, functionality, or efficiency, your new windows will make a lasting difference.